Hello guys, welcome to Farhana Urmi another blog. Today we are going to show you one hill of Jabel Jais hill, the Russell Khaimah. This place is the Russell Khaimah belongs to. So very beautiful view. We are going to the place, end of the place. We are going by car. So all the view I will show you today. How is the beautiful scenario side and the top of the hill also.
কালারটা সুন্দর হয়েছে তো মায়ের আস্তে আস্তে শুরু হয়েছে
পাহাড়ে উঠতে আছে
In 500 meters, turn right.
এর বন্ধ করাস না
In 500 meters, turn right.
Thank you for watching. Stay with us. Like, comment and subscribe. Farhana Urmi.